A symphony in chocolate and wafer, unveiling the KitKat creation. The story of KitKat is one of passion, precision, and a touch of magic. From the moment you unwrap that iconic red wrapper, you're about to embark on a journey of taste and texture. We've all experienced it, that satisfying snap as you break off a piece of KitKat, a sound that promises a moment of indulgence. It's a ritual that has been enjoyed by millions around the world for decades. The smooth melt of the milk chocolate, a sensation that coats your taste buds with creamy delight, is the result of meticulous craftsmanship and high-quality ingredients. And then, the delightful crunch of the wafer, a texture that contrasts perfectly with the chocolate, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the journey that transforms simple ingredients into this iconic treat? It all begins with the finest raw materials, sourced from around the globe. It's a fascinating process, a carefully orchestrated symphony of flavor and texture. Each step is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the people behind the scenes. Join me as we step behind the curtain and uncover the secrets behind how a KitKat is made. From the initial selection of ingredients to the final packaging, every detail is meticulously planned and executed. We'll travel from the sun-drenched cocoa farms, where the journey begins with the careful cultivation of cocoa beans. These farms are the heart and soul of KitKat, providing the essential ingredient that gives KitKat its rich, chocolatey flavor. To the bustling factories where machines hum with precision, transforming raw ingredients into the beloved KitKat bars. Here, technology and tradition blend seamlessly to create a product that is both consistent and exceptional. We'll explore the transformation of raw cocoa beans into luxurious chocolate, a process that involves roasting, grinding, and mixing to achieve the perfect balance of flavor and texture, and witness the meticulous creation of those signature crispy wafers. Each wafer is baked to perfection, ensuring that every KitKat bar has that unmistakable crunch. Get ready to satisfy your curiosity and discover the magic that goes into every single KitKat bar. From the farm to the factory, and finally to your hands, the journey of a KitKat is a testament to the art of chocolate making. So next time you enjoy a KitKat, remember the incredible journey it has taken to bring you that moment of joy. From bean to bar, the journey of cocoa. Our adventure begins at the source, the humble cocoa bean. These precious beans grow inside pods on cacao trees, primarily in tropical regions near the equator. Countries like Ghana, Ivory Coast, and Indonesia are major players in the world of cocoa. Once harvested, the pods are split open, revealing rows of cocoa beans coated in a white pulp. These beans undergo fermentation, a crucial step that develops their flavor. After drying under the tropical sun, the beans are ready for their transformation into chocolate. They're shipped off to KitKat factories around the world, where the real magic begins. The sweet alchemy transforming cocoa into chocolate. Upon arrival at the factory, the cocoa beans embark on a fascinating transformation. First, they are meticulously roasted, which enhances their flavor and aroma. This process requires precise temperature control to achieve that perfect chocolatey taste. Next, the roasted beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the outer shell from the inner nibs. These nibs, the heart of the cocoa bean, are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This liquor forms the base for all chocolate creations, including the smooth milk chocolate that envelops every KitKat. Crafting the crunch, the making of KitKat wafers. Welcome to the fascinating world of KitKat, where precision and passion come together to create one of the world's most beloved chocolate treats. Now let's turn our attention to the heart of the KitKat experience, the crispy wafer. This delicate, crunchy layer is what gives KitKat its unique texture and satisfying bite. The process begins with a simple yet carefully balanced recipe. Wheat flour, sugar, and a touch of yeast are combined to create a dough. Each ingredient is measured with precision to ensure consistency in every batch. This dough is then kneaded thoroughly to develop the right texture and elasticity. It is then rolled out into thin sheets, a process that requires both skill and state-of-the-art machinery to achieve the perfect thickness. These sheets travel on a conveyor belt into a long oven where they are baked to a light, crispy perfection. The journey through the oven is meticulously timed to ensure each wafer is baked evenly. The timing and temperature are crucial here, ensuring the wafers achieve their signature snap without becoming too brittle. Factory workers monitor the process closely, adjusting settings as needed to maintain quality. Once baked, the sheets are cooled gradually to prevent any cracking. They are then cut into precise rectangles ready for their chocolate bath. This step is essential to ensure each wafer fits perfectly into the iconic KitKat bar. Quality control is a top priority at every stage. Factory workers inspect the wafers to ensure they meet the high standards required. Once approved, the wafers are dipped in rich, creamy chocolate, enveloping them in a delicious coating. Finally, the completed KitKat bars are carefully packaged, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers around the world. A chocolate embrace, the enrobing process. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming simple wafers into the iconic KitKat bars we all love. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the union of wafer and chocolate. It's a delicate dance where precision and timing are key to achieving that perfect balance. Remember that chocolate liquor we talked about earlier? It's the heart and soul of our chocolate, the very essence that gives KitKat its rich flavor. It gets mixed with sugar, milk powder and cocoa butter to create the smooth, creamy milk chocolate that KitKat is known for. This blend is carefully crafted to ensure the perfect texture and taste. The wafers are carefully laid out on a conveyor belt, taking a dip in a flowing curtain of warm milk chocolate. Each wafer is meticulously positioned to ensure an even coating. This process, known as enrobing, ensures each wafer is fully coated in a generous layer of chocolatey goodness. The chocolate cascades over the wafers, enveloping them in a luscious embrace. The enrobed wafers then take a quick trip through a cooling tunnel, where the chocolate sets, creating that signature glossy finish. This cooling process is crucial, as it locks in the flavor and gives the KitKat its satisfying snap when you break it apart. Finally, the result is a beautifully enrobed KitKat bar, ready to be enjoyed. Each bite offers a perfect harmony of creamy chocolate and crispy wafer, a testament to the meticulous enrobing process. From here, the KitKat bars are carefully packaged, ensuring they reach you in perfect condition. The journey from wafer to finished product is a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into every bar. The enrobing process is just one part of the intricate dance that brings KitKat to life. It's a blend of art and science, precision and passion, all working together to create a treat that has delighted generations. Precision and perfection quality control measures. Throughout the entire process, from cocoa bean to finished bar, quality control reigns supreme. Expert technicians meticulously monitor every stage, using their senses and specialized equipment to ensure each KitKat meets the highest standards. Beans are inspected for quality, chocolate is tested for flavor and texture, and wafers are checked for crispness and thickness. Any imperfections, however small, are identified and removed, ensuring that only the best KitKats make it to your hands. Dressed to impress packaging, the KitKat. Once they've passed inspection, the coated wafers are ready for their final transformation. They are carefully placed in rows and cut into their iconic four-fingered shape. These bars then take a spin on a packaging line, where they are wrapped in the familiar red and white foil. This foil serves a dual purpose. It protects the chocolate from moisture and light, preserving its flavor and freshness, and it adds to the overall sensory experience of enjoying a KitKat. From factory to you, the distribution journey. Now packaged and ready for their debut, the KitKat bars are carefully boxed and loaded onto trucks. They embark on a journey to distribution centers where they are sorted and dispatched to stores and supermarkets near and far. Thanks to a well-coordinated logistics network, KitKat bars can be found on shelves around the world, ensuring that a moment of crispy, chocolatey satisfaction is never too far away. The Art of the Break, a sweet symphony's finale, and there you have it. The fascinating journey of the KitKat, from humble cocoa bean to the iconic treat we all know and love. It's a testament to the ingenuity of food science, the precision of manufacturing, and the simple pleasure of a well-crafted snack. So the next time you unwrap a KitKat, take a moment to appreciate the symphony of flavors and textures at play. From the smooth melt of the chocolate to the satisfying snap of the wafer, it's a reminder that sometimes the greatest joys are found in the simplest of pleasures. Beyond the bite sustainability in KitKat production. As we've journeyed through the stages of KitKat's creation, it's important to acknowledge the growing concern for sustainability in the food industry. Recognizing the environmental and social impact of their production, KitKat has taken steps to make their chocolate sourcing more responsible. Through their cocoa plan, they are working directly with cocoa farmers to improve their livelihoods and promote sustainable farming practices. This includes providing training on good agricultural practices, supporting community development projects, and working to eliminate deforestation from their supply chain. A legacy of crunch: the enduring appeal of KitKat. The KitKat's journey from a simple concept to a global phenomenon is a testament to the power of combining quality ingredients with innovative manufacturing. For generations, this chocolate-covered wafer has provided a moment of joy and indulgence for people around the world. As we've discovered, the process of making a KitKat is a meticulous one, with each step carefully orchestrated to create the perfect balance of textures and flavors. It's a delicious reminder that even in a world of ever-increasing complexity, sometimes the simplest pleasures are the most enduring.